Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the second weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being ice cream. I've been absolutely craving some ice cream on these very warm days, so let's get into this painting. So coming into this piece, I wanted to make this piece really feel like it had a good sense of mixed media. I decided to only ink out the more solid bits of the drawing, like the face and the cup, and keep the ice cream itself painted to make it feel a little softer. The idea of this piece is that the ice cream is melting in the hot summer sun and making the cup kind of saddened and angry. I thought this idea was a lot of fun, and I always love making fun cartoon characters out of food. Don't ask me why, I just really do. It's always really fun. But I will be quiet and let you all enjoy this last bit of the painting, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word ice cream. I think this turned out really cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're going to be right on the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!